Coconut green. Hey, bro, you trolling, bro. You trolling, dog. That's my tag right there.
What kind of situation
T-Tac, you
is
know
it?
what it is.
Say hi to YouTube. No,
Hey,
don't put us on
Yo,
YouTube.
what's up, YouTube?
what's up, YouTube?
YouTube, you fly. What kind of situation is this? Coconut Guru, I understand the situation. Wrong. Yes, sir.
Kabongaro Boxster. Who's Boxster?
Gue
Aaron. Falso.
Pariana ya cewek.
I get it. Pariara.
I think this is one of Box 2's big fan too, yeah? Box 3.
I don't know.
Boxster got a lot of big fans.
Oh, yes. If I were fat, I would
We can
favorite.
only try.
If I were the part of the something, no para po song.
Chapo
Natawa?
magpagutang.
Yes. Oh, I had my niece from Nogara, because I posted that as my status, and she was like, "What song is that?" So I just went screenshot and sent it over. She's like, "Holy crap! I haven't heard this before." Oh, yeah.
You fly, ese doggy dick.
Yeah.
You in GD till I DIE.
Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
He said, yeah. Everybody thank my manager, Coconut Guru. If you don't thank him, deport.
Deport anyone.
Fair Box 2.
Hey, Coconut Guru, I'm about to follow you, bro. Mr. Coco Buster.
Wow. Hi. Oh, okay. Bye. That's the kind where you only follow and he does not follow back. Because look at
Yeah.
I was just gonna say that.
you already know.
Hey, he said go post it on YouTube. Hey, thank you. Thank you, T.
Kaya mo pwesa dito. Mga katsitsaki.
Appreciate you, Coco. Coco Buster. Thank you.
Yeah, go subscribe. What is your name on YouTube? Same thing?
Same
T-Tacky?
thing, tsitsaki.
Okay. Follow me too, Coconut. I just followed you right about now. Alright,
Lance,
alright.
send me a money gun. A fish shooter go, money gun.
Well, right now I am so
Sorry.
full. I want to cover my...
So I can get box.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. This is what I'm going through right now, so I can't even